Now that you've taken a job from start to finish, let's explore some of the most commonly used reports in Fergus. To access reports, click the Reports icon in the top right corner of your screen. While there are several helpful reports available, we'll focus on the ones our users rely on most. First up, the Customer Invoice Report. This report gives you a complete view of all customer invoices sent from Fergus. You'll see the status of each invoice at a glance, whether it's approved, sent, unpaid, partially paid, or fully paid. Use the filters in the top left to narrow your results, adjust the date range in the top right, or use the search bar to find a specific invoice. Next is the Timesheet Summary Report. This gives you a breakdown of each employee's working hours over a chosen period, up to 14 days. Filter by hour type at the top. The default shows only paid hours. As with most reports in Fergus, you can download it as a CSV file for your records. Want more detail? Click on an employee's name to open their timesheet overview report, where you'll see a full breakdown of their entries. Now, let's look at the WIP report. This is one of the most flexible and powerful reports in Fergus. Use the filters at the top to choose job types or select custom for advanced options. You can filter by job status, show or hide columns, and even filter by groups. Once you've tailored your view, set the date range and click Run to generate the report. When you're ready, use the drop-down next to the Run button to download it as a CSV. And finally, for Fergus Pay users, there's also the Fergus Pay report, found under Settings, Payments. This report is key to tracking transactions and payouts. Since Stripe processes payouts in batches, the report shows which invoices are included in each batch, making reconciliation quick and easy. And that's it! Those are some of the most popular reports in Fergus. Take a look for yourself and start gaining deeper visibility into your business today.